Number 1. Root AI Virgo. Let us introduce you to Virgo, an autonomous mobile robot that can tell when tomatoes are ripe and nimbly pluck them. Created by Somerville-founded startup Root AI, the robot uses soft grippers, 3D sensors, and artificial intelligence to successfully replicate a person's ability to identify and pick ripe fruit. A system-on-module runs the Virgo's AI software brain. Virgo has inbuilt sensors, camera that serve as its eyes, and artificial intelligence software that analyzes whether the tomato is ripe enough to harvest, and an arm with 3 compliant fingers that swings out and snags the fruit right off the vine without damaging them. The first commercial units will focus on tomato harvesting, with future software updates planned to unlock other high-value crops like cucumbers, strawberries, and peppers. There are currently 2 units deployed in California fields, with plans for more robots arriving in the US and Canada later this year to keep up with increased demand from COVID-19. Number 2. MF2370 Ultra HD Baler. The MF2370 Ultra HD Baler engineering and built on AGCO's Heston is in a class of its own. With advanced, uncompromising engineering and groundbreaking design in all areas, the industry's first and only Class 8 baler. The 2370 Ultra HD is designed to help operators easily and efficiently bale lightweight, dry, slick grass, and hard-to-bale crop residue. The MF2370 UHD makes bales that weigh 20% more than those produced by Heston's industry-leading Model 2270 XD baler. It packs a maximum load capacity punch of 760 kilonewtons, 63% greater than the 2270 XD baler, and operates at 50 strokes per minute, creating a huge boost in baler capacity to process the incoming material more efficiently. The OptiFlow pickup assembly system, faster packer crank, massive ultra press plunger, and OptiForm ultra bale chamber equipped with 55% larger rams all work together to deliver extremely dense, consistent, square shoulder bales that are ideal for hauling and stacking. Number 3. Apollo Generation 2. The Apollo Generation 2, developed by the Italian company CMC Industries, has revolutionized the market and has set new standards for chicken harvesting. The machine uses a system of conveyor belts to pick the birds up off the floor and then move them along the length to transport cages at the rear. Birds are loaded in a natural, stress-free manner into the container drawers with no direct contact from operators. It can load between 8,000 and 12,000 animals per hour, depending on the weight of the animals, the speed of the forklift, the distance traveled, and the type of container. Apollo Generation 2 works very well between temperatures of minus 40 degrees Celsius and plus 50 degrees Celsius and requires only 3 to 4 operators. The entire design of Apollo Generation 2 has been optimized according to EHEDG, the European Hygienic Engineering and Design Group guidelines. It has a fully galvanized body, and its main components are made from stainless steel to facilitate easy, quick, and effective daily cleaning with only water and disinfectant with no compromises on biosecurity. Number 4. Smash. Smash is a robotic ecosystem that uses the latest technology to monitor, analyze, and manage agricultural crops and produce farmers with clear, actionable information to support crop management. Yammer R&D Europe is working with 10 technology partners to develop the $4 million Smash, Smart Machine for Agricultural Solutions High-Tech, project co-financed under the Tuscany region of Italy. Smash consists of a drone, a robotics arm featuring manipulators and vision systems, a mobile base, and an ancillary ground station. A farmer could program the task that he wants Smash to carry out, and while he's involved in other activities, this machine can move autonomously, monitoring crops, detecting and treating diseases, saving the farmer significant time out in the fields manually checking crops. The Smash robot is being tested at a vineyard near Pisa, Italy, and crops currently slated for research include grapevines and horticultural field crops like spinach. Number 5. NeoDino. This autonomous vegetable weeding robot by French company Nio Technologies may look something like out of Star Wars, but they're here now. Weeding raw crops and vineyards with their spinning fingers, the farmer creates a map of each bed the robot needs to weed using its GPS system, uploads it through a USB key, puts the robot in front of the first bed, and Dino does the rest. The robot can go for between 6 and 9 hours, depending on soil conditions and the number of weeding knives that are used. Dino relies on lithium batteries and 4 electric motors with a top speed of about 2.5 miles per hour and the touted ability to cover up to 12 acres per day. Once the robot has completed its work, or when the battery is low, it sends a text message to the operator. Dino has been used in a variety of crops including lettuce, tomato, carrots, onion, garlic, pepper, and celery, and in various soil conditions. The Dino costs about $220,000, but the company envisions renting them to farmers or helping them on financing options. Number 6. Iho Tornado 560. Next on our list is the Iho Tornado 560, a mechanically driven chain mulcher capable of working on horizontal, vertical, and even inclined surfaces with an impressive working reach of 5.5 meters. The V-belt driven transmission allows to extend the reach even further, and the flywheel construction of the chain head smoothens up the rotation and helps to hold the chains down in working position. It comes with a tilt cylinder for the cutter head. The tilt angle is an impressive 50 degrees and can be used regardless of the sidebar position. The front flap can be equipped with a hydraulic lift function, and the tilt function, protected by a pressure relief valve, can be utilized at any working angle. Number 7. Jaguar 990 Forage Harvester. With 925 horsepower controlled intelligently, a throughput of up to 380 tons, and fuel consumption as low as 0.41 liters per ton, the Jaguar 990 from Claas is the powerful beating heart of every harvesting chain. The Claas Jaguar 990 Forage Harvester is equipped with a 925 horsepower MAN V12 engine with dynamic cooling that pinpoints the requirements of all three cooling units: engine coolant, change air cooling system, and hydraulic oil system. The Jaguar 990 is the first forage harvester to be equipped with the new VMAX 42 knife drum. Other features include large CBIS color monitor with touchscreen, armrest with integrated Bluetooth controls, and C-motion handle. This machine is also compatible with Terra Track that provides up to 25 mph, 40 km/h road speeds, a much smoother ride, reduced soil compaction, and added stability and traction on slopes and all soil conditions. Number 8. Swadro TC1370. The Swadro TC1370 4-rotor rake from German agricultural machinery manufacturer Krone stands out for its huge acreage, perfect contouring, and straightforward handling. The TC1370 features pivoting rotors on a hydraulic suspension system that is adjustable on the move, a soft down drop control, integral vibration dampening, electric height control, and an adjustable headland lift height. The rotors on the Swadro TC1370 are designed with a working width ranging from 10.8 meters to 13.7 meters and a swath width ranging from 1.4 meters to 2.6 meters. Other special features include an 80-ball hitch, a regular oil circuit connection, and LED work lights. The user interface of the TC1370 display screen is easy to read and use. All machine functions are set up on just 2 menu levels, with all major work functions being grouped on one interface level. Number 9. TerraDOS T440. The TerraDOS T440 from the German brand Homer is a milestone in beet harvesting technology and has been setting new standards every year since 2013. TerraDOS T4 has a tank capacity of 45 meters cubed and comes with features such as 3 power-driven axles, a split filling auger, transverse and longitudinal slat conveyors for fast possible discharge, and a central arranged discharge elevator for gentle tank emptying approximately 50 seconds. The unique Homer Easy Lift system guarantees best harvesting results. The chassis concept with an integrated slope sensor ensures stability in all situations. The consistently lightweight construction stands for unrivaled soil protection, and the intelligent Homer Eco Power combines the best performance with the lowest fuel consumption. Number 10. See and Spray. This precision weed control machine from Blue River Technology is a modern use case of precision agriculture, where a machine has a camera installed that detects every plant in a field within just 50 milliseconds before providing plant-by-plant care. See and Spray uses computer vision, machine learning, and advanced robotic technology to distinguish between crops and weeds, and then precisely deliver a small but lethal dose of herbicide to remove the weeds. The machine processes images of plants more than 20 times per second while traveling 12 miles per hour through the field, comparing them to an expanding training library of over 1 million images. With this new generation of weed control, the use of pesticides can be reduced by up to 80%. See and Spray is currently in the field testing stage, and the first See and Spray bots are expected to hit the US in 2020, with Europe following a year later. And that's the end of our video, folks. If you enjoyed this video, do give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share and subscribe. Until next time.